People don't know. I remember Sundowns 3, Polokwane City 0. You know what? Why do they punish it? Yeah, they punish it. Polokwane. But it's a go drinking, but it's a ground in your ground in your box and the cheese. And most not out. Yeah, Rabala Peach. Hey, Rabatrap. Yeah. And about your God is the Sundowns card carrying member. Yeah, everybody rob by the penalty. Oh no, God is there. I don't peel a potato twice. It's a waste. Okay, it's our words. Yeah, Sundowns. Rena Ratelambo. Go win. Yeah, it's a two level ball. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, and it's our words. But we are preserving our energy because we Rabat Africa. Yes. Pirates this year, Pirates go Mister Nahal. Can repeat the game you already goal. Yes. Regina Pirates 6. Yeah, just Pirates 6, Chiefs 5. Yeah. Regina Barging power lines 24. 24 nil. Renahal already goal. Yeah. Pirates are trying to imitate us, our past. Yes. We've long gone past the game of scoring goals. Yeah. Now we are proving a point. Yes. It's definitely 3 points. So, what point? Come on, I want to remind people. Yes. Come on, Loftus. Yeah. Our last list, Nelika 2024. Yeah. These people, I want to say to them, when you come to Loftus, this Loftus is loving the spirit, our esperance. Yellow wall. Why is it? Yeah, captain, my captain. I say any captain. Captain, Barry. Yes. Guys, Sundowns, the man of the match. Yes. Let me tell you. Yeah. Because Sundowns are the character man of the match. Yes. Because everybody can be a man of the match. Yeah. So in order to it choose man of the match. Yeah. Arena. Anyone you can take. You can take anyone. And go about it. Yeah. We respect people. We are just respecting the invite. All the fixtures. Respect it. Also, yeah. Within 7 days, we punish them. Yes. Within 7 days. And someone will let go to Saren. Yeah. We don't score ordinary goals. And the real jersey number 10. The real jersey number 10 came back today. Say kicking man, I already no. Sundowns, let me tell you. Yeah. If you see Sundowns losing, Sundowns, it's only Sundowns which can beat Sundowns. Yeah. Sundowns, my bro. Yeah. Wake us up anytime. We will wall up you. No,